Optimum recognizes that your study is different and, at the same time, that your study matters. Optimum provides tailored, responsive service to each client that starts from our first communication. We offer free consultation, first listening about your journey, where you are in that process, where you've been, and where you're going. From this, we learn about your starting line and your finish line, developing an in-depth plan to reach final approval, inclusive of all the revisions needed to get there. We recognize that just as your research is important, so is your time and money. Before we begin a project, we share comprehensive guidance and planning at no charge. This allows us to get oriented and share a specific plan and a precise to-the-dollar cost that won't change. That responsiveness matters. We won't share a plan without this process. Mapping out the path to approval helps us and our clients stay on the same page and guarantees a smooth journey. Many clients come to Optimum at the beginning of the dissertation process without a developed or approved study foundation. It's not as simple as a topic. Doctoral research must address a research gap and one that fits your specialization, your reviewer preferences, and your ability to access data. Balancing these priorities, we create the deliverable you need, whether it be a prospectus, concept paper, chapter 1, or something else. The literature review is the most tedious aspect of the dissertation, and reaching what could be 40 pages while also achieving doctoral level synthesis and critical analysis is not easy. Our experienced team of researchers can help achieve that, exploring the breadth of literature to make a clear argument for your study. Constructing the methodology for a study can be similarly daunting. There are so many designs, each with its own theoretical and practical implications for your study. Our methodologists specialize in qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods approaches, and we build everything from sampling procedures to specific data analysis plans. We also construct surveys, interview protocols, and precise steps for recruitment and data collection. We also help with qualitative and quantitative data analysis using software like SPSS, Vivo, and MaxQDA to ensure that your findings are valid and reliable. We help build results and discussion chapters too, with tables and charts to clarify your findings and clear, precise language to link those findings with your research questions. We help situate your findings in the context of existing literature and theory, and we describe implications, limitations, and recommendations for future research. In addition to each chapter of the dissertation, Optimum offers other important services to help you reach graduation. This includes editing and formatting to match university and APA 7th edition guidelines, IRB applications, and PowerPoint presentations for your proposal and final defense. These steps are part of most doctoral journeys, but how you progress through them is unique to you and your study. That can make online tutorials and other guidance unhelpful, resulting in even more confusion and hopelessness. When you contact Optimum, your first step is to communicate with an expert dissertation coach who will answer your questions and point the way forward. We will also start the process toward comprehensive hands-on assistance with what you're working on. That process includes a diagnostic review of your current work, a careful assessment and specific discussion of what you need to reach approval, and a plan to get there. Best of all, we build that plan at no charge to you and with a clear to-the-dollar quote for assistance. This way, you know A, exactly how we'll help, and B, what it will cost to reach final approval. At Optimum, we know that your dissertation journey matters. Reach out to an expert dissertation coach today. We would love to hear from you. Our number is 984-222-7122. And if you're not available during business hours, then you can always email us at info@optimumresearchconsulting.com. We at Optimum hope you have a happy and successful day.